progress made in 2024. Locor proudly participated in many exhibitions, Shanghai, Guangzhou, South Africa, etc., where we showcased our latest products, attracting numerous potential clients and exciting partnership opportunities. On the domestic front, we forged key partnerships with several leading companies, opening new markets and accelerating our growth across China. Internationally, many customers come to visit our factory. Their visits led to successful machine purchases. It also increased our influence. At the same time, we sent technicians to visit customers, gained recognition and praise from customers.
It means a lot to me, and I thank you very much for that.
As we step into the new year, we remain committed to growth, innovation, and seizing every opportunity to reach new heights together. Thank you to all our dedicated colleagues and loyal clients for your unwavering support.